In this video, I will tell you how to cure allergic rhinitis permanently. Allergic rhinitis is an IgE-mediated immunological response of the nasal mucosa to the airborne allergens. Allergic rhinitis can be seasonal or perennial. It is commonly known as high fever develops when the body's immune system recognizes or overreacts to something in the environment that typically causes no problem in most of the people. Don't be misled by the names, as you don't have to be exposed to have symptoms. Rhinitis refers to the irritation or swelling in the mucous lining of the nose when it occurs after exposure to allergens. It is known as allergic rhinitis or high fever, which is highly prevalent ailment. In this video, we will showing you very easy, effective and affordable remedy to cure allergic rhinitis permanently. Before I start your video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative content. So let's get started. First, we need water. Staying properly hydrated means your body can react better to the pesky allergens and not need to produce such high levels of histamines due to lack of water. Water is an inexpensive and effective way to regulate your seasonal allergies. First, we take a full glass of water. Then, we will need apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has the ability to reduce the production of mucus and cleanse the lymphatic system, which makes it is a great natural remedy of seasonal allergies. Apple cider vinegar also works to support our immune system. Now, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Then, we will move to our third ingredient, which is turmeric. Turmeric is well known as an anti-inflammatory powerhouse for a good reason. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has been linked to reduce symptoms of many inflammation, prevent disease, and could help minimize the swell and irritation caused by allergic rhinitis. Add 1 pinch of turmeric in our drink. And the last ingredient we need is honey. Honey has been anecdotally reported to lessen symptoms people with seasonal allergies, but results have not consistently replicated clinical studies. The idea isn't so far-fetched, though. Honey has been studied as a cough suppressant and may have anti-inflammatory effects. Now add honey to taste our prepared drink. Drink the whole glass. You will notice remarkable results by following the remedy continuously. Hope you liked this video. For more amazing content, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know the result by commenting on my videos. Thank you.